Now, surrogacy bill has sparked off a major debate with the government putting out pointers which will go against the interest of single parents and also homosexual couple and also those who would like to adopt a baby. If they are able to reproduce one, they'll have to go in for an examination. So many loopholes there, and now you have a leading voice from the Bollywood choreographer and director Farah Khan, who's chosen to speak out against this bill. Take a listen.
कितने ही ऐसे उदाहरण हमारे सामने और बड़ी सेलिब्रिटीज के हैं जिनका अपना बच्चा एक नहीं दो हैं और बेटा और बेटी दोनों हैं तो भी उन्होंने सरोगेट चाइल्ड किया है.
A week ago, Sushma Swaraj took a wild swipe at Bollywood shortly after the cabinet proposed a ban on commercial surrogacy. And now, Bollywood director and mother of triplets, Farah Khan has lashed out in a tell-all interview.
So now you're telling us what to eat, you're telling us what to wear, and now you're telling us when to have children too.
Farah Khan, in a no-holds-barred attack, took on the government for allegedly dictating even when to have a child. She also dubbed the surrogacy bill as discriminatory against single parents.
If they had given great reasons for having the surrogacy bill, that they are thinking about the safety of women, you can't say only married couples can have children, that too after 5 years of marriage.
The Bollywood choreographer had triplets at the age of 43 via in vitro fertilization. The children are now 8 years old. Surrogacy isn't new to Bollywood. In fact, many Bollywood stars have chosen to go the surrogate way. Shah Rukh Khan's son Abram was born via surrogacy, while even Amir Khan and Kiran Rao had a child via surrogacy. Even Tushar Kapoor chose surrogacy to become a single parent. As the government mulls a ban on commercial surrogacy, it could find its fiercest opponents in Bollywood. With Lasapriya Sundaram in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
We have Lasapriya who's joining us on the story now. Lasapriya, this is what Sushma Swaraj had said, hitting out at Bollywood categorically, saying that there are many celebrities who can have children, but they still opt for a surrogacy route. Now, rent-a-womb bill has already sparked off many debate because it's impractical in a lot of sense. Farah Khan, the leading voice in Bollywood at the moment, many others to follow soon?
You know, Farah Khan is one of the primary voices who has sort of spoken out from Bollywood. And in fact, you know, she makes very clear points. She says that, you know, in this country, homosexuals are not even recognized. But clearly in the bill, it says that homosexual couples cannot have a child. So she says first either, you know, make homosexual legal and then, you know, go about this bill. The second point that she makes is that you can't say that only married couples can have children because that is again discriminatory. The third thing that she mentions is that, you know, if the bill was aimed at protecting the rights of women and it saved women from exploitation, then it would make sense. But, you know, that is not something that has been given consideration. Only the fact that, you know, the bill is altruistic in nature, just by stating that it really won't serve the purpose. Of course, Kareena Kapoor Khan has already sort of spoken out as far as, you know, the surrogacy bill is concerned. She said that if a couple can't have children and they do want to, then whatever opportunity is available to them, they should go that way. So far, we've got these two big voices coming from Bollywood.
But they need to have a certificate for that, Lasapriya. That's what the bill says. When Kareena Kapoor Khan said that a couple who cannot have children should go to surrogacy route, they all need to have a certificate. Who will medically certify them? They need to be married for at least 5 years. So these are kind of clauses that are being debated as the government is mulling this bill. Talk more about that, taking a very short break. Stay with us as this controversy continues.